Happy New Year! Not gonna lie, holidays were rough, so I'm super happy that it's over, but I am excited about this new year. Yeah. Now that Vlogmas is over, I'm still inspired to create. I'm still inspired to be creative. And since the last few years, one of the biggest things for me was that I felt I was too analytical and logical and not using my creative brain enough. So basically the goal this year is to definitely do more things that get my creative juices flowing. And because I'm a very visual learner, I always have been, I thought that it would be pretty awesome to share what it is that I do to not only prep myself for the new year, because I kind of already do this throughout the year, but what better time than to start fresh with something new for a new decade, right? So normally I do make vision boards, and I've been quite excited because the first one I created about a year or so ago was pretty fulfilled. It was pretty completed, and I was excited about that. And so I wanted to make another one. I actually decided to make a vision book this year because I wanted it to be something that I can reference every day. Worry about people coming over. Like, I didn't really care if you saw my vision board or not, but I just didn't want to have to like explain or do any of that had to come in my vision board. You know, I wanted to find things to manifest, and I wanted to be able to look at those things and invoke those same feelings that I feel as if I had those things, right? Because that's the whole point of a vision board or vision anything, able to already feel and know what it's like to have whatever it is that you're seeking to bring into your life. And so it was important for me to be able to create that for myself and do something that I can, like I said, really reference every day. This is what I chose. So it's just a regular little notebook. You can buy a sketchbook somewhere and basically do that. And so this year is definitely, for me, it's more about like my wellness, my mental health. Still, travel is always it, but just really prioritizing myself. Somehow in the last year or two, I kind of lost that, so I definitely want to put that back in order this year. And so this is one of my home pages. I love greenery. I love the open look, the open natural light, lofty look. So yeah, that's what I'm going for. I really have grown a strong love for plants. I'm not killing them all the time. It's kind of nice. But this is like my 30 page. This is, look, this is Naomi Campbell when she was 32. Bitch, can I be 32 like that? It's not done, and I'll probably have another one. This is just kind of like my 30s. Me coming into my 30s. I'm gonna be fierce. All of that. This is my love for the outdoors. The outdoors doesn't care what my hair looks like or what I have on my feet. Style. My style is always changing, hence why I have a couple of pages dedicated to it. But yeah, I'll just do it like that. Grab your magazines, get some scissors, some glue sticks, markers, whatever it is that you like to create with, and let's go. All right, this is what excites me, okay? I'm a nerd. I like to be nerdy.